Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vipin. Today is day 3. Today's topic is all about trainings, the motorcycle trainings, off-road and on-road. I have attended quite a few of them. I have attended both on-road and off-road. So I am sharing a fair bit of experience I had with respect to each of the trainings. I'll talk through all the on-road and off-road schools which I have attended, and I'll put a link in the description. You can go check their website out, go enroll for the trainings. Let's become a better rider. See you in the on-road mode. Today's topic, trainings. Day 3. I'm gonna talk about the motorcycle trainings. There are two types of trainings. One is track day, the other one is off-road training. The track days are basically the trainings which happen on the racetracks. There is a misconception with respect to trainings that the trainings are only, especially the track days, the trainings are only for the people who want to race or who want to explore the career in race and all. That's a misconception. At least some of them have, but slowly it's changing. There are many schools across India which are certified. The basic level 1 track session is all about training the rider with respect to how to address the corners, basic skills on your bike, how your bike angles are, how to accelerate, how to brake, how to maintain the gear ratios. All those being taught in the level 1 track sessions. I had attended level 1 track session at MMRT last year, which was totally worth, which was conducted by Indy Motorrad, the 2 school. Throttle wide open is what they call it. It's being conducted by Anand, also Shumi and Vignesh, and there are other instructors, one more instructor, Rishi, and there is a supporting staff who make it possible. They know their game, so they have all the required assistance, medical assistance in case of unavoided emergencies. To enroll in such track sessions will really help you emerge as a better rider. Trust me, I took my GS to the track day. If you believe me or not, I took my GS 310 GS to the track day, and I had so much fun on it. And when you rev your bike to the red line, the amount of joy you get, it's I can't explain the words. You have to feel it. That level 1 session is for 2 days. The first day be 4 or 5 theoretical sessions, which will be like half an hour sessions, followed by laps on the racetrack. So it's not about racing other people or going on better speeds and all. It's how to maintain the clutch, how to maintain your clutch, how to maintain your throttle, brake on the corners, exit the corners properly. All these things are explained one by one, and you are asked to explore them during the lap sessions. Those sessions are really worth. I really enjoyed a lot at MMRT. That was the first time I was experiencing a racetrack, so I had my fair bit of anxiety, excitement, as well as fear, because I'm not sure what to expect. But once you go there after first session on the racetrack, you will feel so much of happiness. I'll highly recommend everyone who are bike enthusiasts, irrespective of which bike you have, go enroll for these sessions. Try it out. I know Indy Motorrad school, which conducts 3 to 4 times in a year, level 1, level 2. Level 1 is enough for the people who are wanna improve their skill set. The only mandate to attend these sessions are you should have proper riding gear. That too, for the racetrack, you should have proper leathers, full leathers. There are options, you can contact them. I'll leave a link in the description of the Indy Motorrad. You can check their website out to know the cost and all. The instructors are really helpful. And also, yeah, one more thing I left out is it's not like overcrowded and all. There are 4 instructors basically, so 4 instructors will have almost like 4 to 5 people. They'll tag along, and they'll keep monitoring each and every lap. They'll come to you, tell what is the mistake you're doing. Even after the session, after the track session, when you connect with them, they'll explain you what the mistakes you're doing and what skill set you can improve on, and next laps you can try them out and improve. That's a brief about track sessions. Next comes the off-road trainings. In India, at least, people are buying the ADV. The ADV culture is becoming more and more, so people are buying more ADV vehicles or off-road vehicles, and it's better to have off-road skill set also in order to ride properly and enjoy your bike. It's not just that you're owning a higher cc bike and you don't have the proper skill set, then it is kind of useless, right? I have attended GS experience conducted by the BMW guys in Hyderabad. That too again level 1. Level 2 I couldn't attend. There also instructors explain you on basic set of exercises like enduro steering, braking concepts, hill descent, hill ascent, how to come out of ruts. I have done a dedicated video about the GS experience which I had attended in 2021, I guess. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. It has a proper recording of what all things they teach you over there, so do check it out. That's about the GS experience. And as well as there are many off-road schools like the School of Dirt, which is there in Munnar, which is organized by none other than Ausef Chaco and Rishi. That is again a 3-day program where you go to Munnar. They take you on off trails. They teach you the skill set of ADVs and all those things. That's core off-roading. You should have minimum basic skill set to attend their off-road sessions, because it's pure off-road. I have seen the videos. I had enrolled last year to attend that, but due to some unavoidable circumstances I had to cancel last minute. That's one sad part. But yeah, this year I'll definitely go for it. One more school which you can enroll is the Big Rock Dirt Park, which is there in Kolar as well as Hyderabad. Last year I attended a tank up event. During that I had done the level 1 ADV session over there for a half day. Yeah, they have the slide school in that Big Rock Dirt Park Kolar, and they have MX track, they have off-road trails. It's totally worth it. It's a mixed package. They have annual membership, so you can enroll for the annual membership at a fees of 30,500 or 750, which I am planning to enroll this year. Put the link in the description. You can check the package details in for the annual membership in their website. One more in Bangalore is Tribal Adventure Cafe, where I did I attended the GS trophy qualifiers. These are the ones I know. There are many other adventure schools as well as track schools, track days or off-roading trainings. They make you I have told many times in this video, they make you a better rider for sure. And it's not that these off-roading sessions you just learn and leave them. You should constantly keep practicing. Maybe if you have some grounds or something where don't practice it on roads, the public roads, and cause nuisance to the public and even risk yourself also. Go to grounds which doesn't have people, practice over there. And while practicing, ensure you're wearing the riding gears. That's mandatory thing. Riding gears build up confidence in you. Trust me, when I bought the bike 3 years back, I was scared to stand up and ride on the bike because I didn't have that skill set. After that session, I was confident enough and I started standing up and riding, slowly building up confidence. This is about the training sessions which I wanted to talk through with you all. I hope it was informative enough. Do share it with your friends who are into biking. And if you have done already some sessions, either track sessions or the off-road sessions, do share your experience in the comments. And if you know about the other track schools or even the off-roading schools, do share them as well. That's about the day 3 trainings. See you guys tomorrow with another topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.